Well, there is your 2025 Triumph Racing SMX squad, whatever you call lineup, and it's basically completely different from 2024, except for Jalik Swell, obviously returning. We do have some quotes from all four of them saying, this is Austin Faulkner saying, I am super excited to be part of Triumph Factory Racing. I'm already so happy after just a couple weeks of work with the team. Of course, I am motivated to capture the first SMX win. It'd be a huge for both the team and me. It would be a lot of fun building together and working towards that point. Now, obviously, he's coming over from Kawasaki, which he's been with forever. So the real thing is not even if he can get wins, it's if he can finish this season. That's my hope, that he can actually finish the whole season, make it through the whole time, and not get injured again. Obviously, this is still a development time for that bike, for that team, for, you're going from 3 riders to 4 now. So adding a bunch of people, adding a bunch of parts, we're going to be hopeful here. Jalik Swoll, obviously the one returning member from 2024, from this year, saying, quote, I am excited for my second season with Triumph Factory Racing. I am so motivated to continue working with the team, with the great team that we have here. I'm confident that is going to be a successful year. I cannot wait. Now, obviously, he didn't have a bad year. Being the one lone survivor of the 3 people that they had signed to the team, he had a pretty solid year, and we'll see where he actually ends up. I don't think he did bad, so let's see if he can continue moving forward, continue progressing, and if he can stay, with these guys, because Jordan Smith and Austin Faulkner are probably going to be the 2 top contenders for this team, but we'll see where that goes. Styles Robertson said, I am so pumped to join the Triumph Factory Racing team. The bike has been amazing so far. This is an incredible group of people, and I'm so excited to move into the future with this team. Obviously, he comes over from Monster Energy, where he basically was injured. You never saw very much of him on that bike. So another person, injury prone, moving over to a different team. Hopefully this is a different change of scenery and, always good. You can see the scar on his hand right there. Uh, Moving over to a different team, different bike, just that reset of things might just be helpful. And Jordan Smith, the last of the 4, saying, I am really happy to join the Triumph Racing team after watching the progress that the team has made in their last season. I've had a good couple of years, so I feel like I am in a positive spot to battle for wins each weekend and ultimately the championship. I love the team that has been assembled here. Everyone has had the same mindset and ambition. Obviously, everybody wants to win. That's just how it goes. Like, you're not going to have somebody go, "Nah, I don't think I want to win this year." But it's one of those funny things that hopefully this does work out. Hopefully this is a thing that this team can do and be successful at. Obviously, with 4 riders, you're going to have 2 on each coast now, or at least I would assume that's going to be it. I would guess probably Faulkner and Swoll and Smith and Robertson. That'd be my guess of things, or maybe Faulkner and Robinson. I don't know how it's going to go. That's not yet to be determined. But Ian Kimber, the head of global racing programs Triumph Motorcycles, said, "Quote: Our rider lineup for the 2025 season underlines how serious we are with our super motocross program and our commitment to the sport and our off-road products. We are focused on building on our 2024 season and pushing hard in both Monster Energy AMA Supercross and AMA Pro Motocross. Jalik did an amazing job under some difficult circumstances last year. I'm excited for him to have a new teammates in Jordan, Austin, and Styles. I cannot wait to see what the team will do when the gate drops." You got to give it to them. They're really trying here. If you're bringing in Faulkner is a big name, Jordan Smith is a big name, Styles Robertson is a contender, and keeping Jalik Swoll because he proved last year that he deserves that ride at least for another year and see where it goes. But I mean, this is big for them to go from 3 riders where 1 didn't even race in Supercross. Now you're gonna have 4. It doesn't look like they're gonna have. Obviously, they don't have a 450 yet, so they're not gonna have a 450 rider. But if you looked at Austin's interview a few weeks ago, he said he had a few teams with a 250 to a 450 option. So maybe he's gonna be the 450 push-up next year if he doesn't win. We'll see. But I'm super excited for this. Obviously, more more teams, more money, more sponsors, more rides. It's good for everybody. It's good, just across the platform to have more opportunities in this. And we'll see where this goes. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. What do you think of the signings? Who do you think's going to do the best? Who are you excited for? Do you think Austin Faulkner is going to make it through the whole year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.